Swadika, hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Kift. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate green tea bread loaf. So this bread is very soft and very good with the tea. So for the first, I'm going to show you the ingredients to make chocolate green tea bread loaf. So first I use all-purpose flour 280 grams, some pinch of salt, yeast 1 teaspoon, and sugar 60 grams, and butter 25 grams, and green tea 200 ml. For the first step, I will add the green tea 200 ml first, and sugar and some pinch of salt, and just mix well first. After that, I will add yeast and all-purpose flour 280 grams and just mix well again. And now I will add the butter and just use your hand and just knead the dough till it becomes smooth. And after that, I will rest it. Just wrap it, rest it 1 or 2 hours. It depends on the temperature outside. Just wait till the dough is bigger to the side. Okay, after 1.5 hours, now the dough is bigger to double size. It's perfect now. So I will add the chocolate chip 90 grams. Just mix it again. And after this, I will wrap it and rest it around 1 or 2 hours till the dough becomes double size again. So now after 1 hour, the dough is become the bigger size to double size. So now I will cut for 3 pieces. After that, I will roll the dough into the long loaves and bread the dough. For now, I will wrap it and keep it rest for 1 hour till it become bigger size. So after 1 hour, you can see it's become double size. So I will add the milk that I mixed with the butter, put on the top, because we make the bread is very soft and smooth after bake. So before that, I already warmed the oven, and now I put little bit water in the tray. I will use 220 Celsius for 15 minutes to bake it. Finish! Wow, it looks so good. So thank you everyone to watching Cook with Kift. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for more easy recipe. So see you next time. Bye bye.